Hey Jenny, where's your homework? I don't see it in our pile here. Oh, you turned it in. Oh, really? You know what? I don't like liars in my classroom, and I know you didn't turn it in. So if this is a way to get out of your homework, it's not gonna happen. I know you didn't turn it in. Do not lie straight to my face. You know, the laziness in this classroom. Do you really think I'm gonna be fooled by that and just say, okay, give you an A? No, I'm not. I bet you it's unfinished in your backpack right now. What? You know you turned it in and you think I misplaced it?